Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, hold the call between thumb and forefinger, lips sealed but relaxed. Put weight on your front foot and breathe down into your diaphragm. This gives steady airflow. Once done, blow a short, bright honk, short burst, 0. 5 1 second to get attention. Make sure to keep your tongue behind your teeth to shape tone. Subtle pressure alters pitch, so adjust until you hear a clean, warm goose-sounding note that carries without strain. You now layer calls to tell a story. Start with one short honk, wait 2 to 4 seconds, then add a double cluck, quick, percussive, to suggest alertness. Once you master those, add a soft feeding yelp sequence, 2 to 3 mellow notes, slightly descending. Vary volume by 10 to 50% to mimic distance and interest. Make sure to connect phrases smoothly. Transition slowly from loud to soft, because natural geese alternate dynamics when debating approach. You close the sequence with intent. After a successful run, deliver one sustained, low honk, about 2 seconds, then pause and watch. If birds respond an inch closer, repeat short phrases but avoid constant calling. Silence is part of the conversation. When things go wrong, troubleshoot immediately. Lower your pitch by 1 to 2 steps, cut volume in half, and lengthen pauses. This mimics nervous or distant geese and often corrects avoidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.